What's up, my friends? This is John Baruti from Baruti Success. This week, let's just make sure we're recording, and we are. All right, today is, what's today? Is today Wednesday? What is today? Yes, today's Wednesday, December 15th, and we are doing our M1 Finance. We're creating 2 new pies today. You know, I love M1 Finance, and unfortunately, I'm not sponsored by them. Someday I will be, but I love them, and I'm going to be doing a video very soon for New Year's for you guys to just explain how easy it is to set up accounts on this and set it and forget it. But for today's video, we are going to create, see, we have great stocks and ETFs, right? That's one pie, and we have Metaverse, okay? And if we go here, and again, my channel, unlike other talking heads, let's go to holdings, I do what I preach, right? So if I tell you guys to invest in some stuff, and again, I'm not telling you to do anything, you do you, and you need to research. This is not an investing site. This is an entertainment site, just for the legal standings, okay? So this is my investment. You guys could either follow them or not. But that being said, okay, these are the investments we have in here, okay? Now, I'd like to bring your attention to these 2 Vanguard accounts, VNQ and VOO, okay? Look at this, right? Plus 19, plus 20, up 2%, up almost 3%. This, my friends, this. If my channel was anything, I would tell you to just invest in these 2, forget everything else. But that's not fun. So that is why we invest in multiple things. But if you are Jenny or John or Joe Q, anybody, and you're just starting this journey, that's all you got to do. These 2. Maybe a third one for international, but it's low fees, and 99% of the time, the ETFs, especially the whole market one, which is VOO, and this is a whole market, a real estate fund, they beat the market, all right? So let's go down and see what we have. And you can see here. So we have Target, right? Target, we're down 5%, but I don't care. I don't want you guys to look at this and say, and freak yourselves out, because that's not what this is about. You want to see red because we're buying every single week. And, and those, when we're buying in the red, that's good for the future, okay? So again, we have Alphabet, which is Google. We have Disney. We have Facebook. We have PayPal, NVIDIA, Matterport, Roblox. These are part of our Metaverse stock. We have Autodesk, Unity, Fastly, right? And look at these things. Some of them are all down, right? Because they were hyped on the Metaverse, but we are not in this to trade. We are in this for the long haul. All right, so let me get off my preaching soapbox, and let's go back. And, okay, so if you what is air? If you are a regular subscriber, you know we did 2 videos over the last couple of weeks. We did MLPs, Master Limited Partnerships, basically in the oil industry, okay, high dividends. And we also did, this week is REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. So I'm going to create 2 new pies, one for MLPs, one for REITs. And this is why I love M1 Finance, because we can create our own ETF here. So I have, what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 REITs stocks, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 MLP stocks. So let's do the MLPs first. All right, so we are going to edit, and we are going to create a pie, and this is going to be our MLP, and MLP. I just want to show you how this is just MLP stocks. And again, you can name this whatever you want. You know, add pie. Right? Now, MLP stocks, we are going to, no slice, we're going to add a slice. And the first one is LSI. Comes up, Life Storage. Got it. Add to basket. Yes, this is it. Just double check, right? This is the life storage. And again, we've talked about all these on the last videos. This is just us investing. We're going to, okay, let's add it. So we're going to add another slice. Next is, oh, poopy. All right, so, okay. So this is supposed to be the MLPs, and I am doing, all right, no big deal. I am actually doing the REITs. So let me remove this. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, add slice. All right, we're doing MLPs on this. Okay, so ET, Energy Transfer, LP, right? Owns and operates one of the largest and most diversified portfolios of energy assets. Yes, thank you very much. 836. What was it when, so it was 879 when I did the video. It's gone down a little bit, but again, we don't care. We don't care. We just buy good stuff. All right, we're going to add a slice. Next is EPD. Oops, sorry. EPD. Enterprise Product Partners. Enterprise is one of the largest publicly traded partnerships in leading North American provider of midstream energy services. Yes. What was our price on this one? $20.93. And again, we're down a little on this one too, but that's fine. Add. And I'm glad we're adding it today. Okay, we're going to add a slice. Next is TCP. Oh my God, John. Click there. TCP. BlackRock TCP Capital. Is that correct? Let me just double check. Company focused on direct lending and middle market companies as well as small businesses. Let's check this. MLPs. See, these are my show notes here, right? So, and this is what I told you guys to invest in. So let's just see. TCP. Funny enough, there could possibly be more than P, because I don't believe it's. Okay, so, and this will happen. TCP Capital. So M1 doesn't probably carry the one that I wanted, which is TC Pipelines. Let's see if we can type that in. M1 TC. Could be the TC Energy Corporation. We have to look at that. Let's go back again. I apologize. I normally get this stuff out of the way. Pipelines before I. Now we'll have to come back to that one. MPLX. MPLX is next. Let's just, again, and this is why we double check, make sure. MP is a diversified large cap master limited partnership. Yep, this is the correct one. And it's at 2836. Okay. And again, some of these energy stocks have gotten hit. But again, these stocks are, again, a good dividend stock. Add to basket. We're going to add. And again, if you notice, see M1, see this, 34, 33, 33. It automatically, if you wanted to, it will automatically, this is 34%, 33%, 33%. So when you put in an order, unlike the other apps, you have to put in, I'm buying $100 of this or $100 of that. With M1, you create a pie like we're doing now, and then you create percentages that you want. Let's say, because we're going to invest $500 into this, right? So it's going to automatically take that 500 and put 34% of it into energy transfer, 33% into energized product, 33% into MPLX, okay? I just want to one more time. I just want to see something here. Well, first of all, let's go to investing.com. I want to look something up. Okay, and I'd like to type, let's, TCP. Interesting. Okay, so basically TCP has been purchased, or basically rolled into the mother company. I just looked at it real quick, not real happy with the numbers, so we're going to stay away from it for now until I do a little more research, just making sure we are. Okay, so we're going to, these three will add up our MLP pie. Okay, we are going to create the pie. Oh, no, cancel. So let's go back. And it should have been created. And it is MLP stocks. Okay, and we're also going to do our REITs. Okay, our Real Estate Investment Trust, our REITs. Again, because this channel, Ad Pie, we put our money where our mouth is. If I'm telling you, again, I'm not telling you to invest in something. If I mention that I'm investing in something, I'm actually doing it. If I mention stocks, then I'm investing in them, you know? And again, you take that for a grain of salt. Do your own research. I can lose money, as has been shown. So do not take me as the end-all, be-all. Okay, we are going to, on the REITs, we're going to add slices. And let's get to it. LSI. Life storage, got it. Okay, add to basket. 45. Okay, so in the reverse, when I did the video on the REITs, this was 132. Now it's 145. Okay, and that's going to happen. Ups and downs. Did I add that slice to the wrong thing? Let me see. Yes, I did. See? Okay. Because I'm not paying attention. Remove. And this is how easy it is. All right. So we go up to REITs. We click on REITs. And we add a slice. And that slice is, again, LSI. Swing. All right. Add to basket. Add. And we're going to add another slice. The next one is cold. Cold storage. Oop. Cold storage. Okay. Where are we? 3207. This was 3185 when I did the video. So again, up. Okay, we're adding. Okay, we're adding a slice and CCI. Crown Castle. 40,000 cell towers. That's the one. Add to basket. Okay, we're going to add. Going to add another slice. O. Try that again. O. Realty Income Group. Right? Realty, the monthly dividend company, is an S&P 500 company dedicated to providing stockholders with dependable monthly income. And the company is structured as a REIT. Right? So we know we have the right one. 67. Which one is this? This is O. 67. Okay, so this one, when I did the video, this one was at 71. Now it's at 67. Add to basket. And again, I don't mean to keep beating a dead horse, but that's why we buy every week. Because sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. Over time, we are the winners. Okay, A, G, N, C. And that's the key here, guys, that you do this over time. You do not, I repeat, you do not take money out. AGNC Investment Corporate Internally Managed Real Estate Investment Trust. This is the right one. At the time of the taping, it was 1584. It's now 1517. So we're buying it a little bit of a discount here, and we're adding it. Okay, so here is our REIT portfolio. We have 2, 4, 5. All right, let's go back. So now we have our REITs and our MLPs. So let's go and same. Okay. Let's exit. Yeah, confirm. Okay, now we're going to portfolio. We're going to invest. Okay. Okay, so what we have to do now that we see we have our REITs, our MLPs, great stocks, and metaverse. So we have to give everybody a fair shake here. Now, these percentages are in the main pie. It's not super important because we don't have auto invest set up, but I am going to do a video on that, and then it will matter, right? Because when you auto invest, so these are our pies within our portfolio, and then within each pie are slices. So let's call it $100. Let's say we invest $100, and it's going to invest 10% of that $100, which is $10, into these 5, and 10% of that 100 into these 3, and 70% of that 100, which is $70, into these 6, and 10% of that 100, which is $10, into these 7. Now, a lot of times it can't do it in that small of increments, and that's why we haven't set it up yet. Because I have all of these for you guys, so I can break it out. These are our REITs. These are our MLPs. These are great stocks as far as, these are our tried and true. These are the great blue chips, our metaverse stocks, okay? But again, you have to set these percentages up so it'll let you save the pies. So we save it. Okay, we're going to confirm. Okay, now they should all be there. Okay, so now we are going to do MLP, right? We are going to buy and sell. We're going to do 500 on this. Okay. Come on. Get down there. Continue. Again, it's going to tell it 9:30 tomorrow morning. Confirm buy. Right? And you're done. This is how easy M1 is. And again, for the trader, this is not your platform. For the Joe, Jane, John, Dick, Harry, Schmelly, whoever, that just wants their money to work, this is the perfect situation, okay? So let's get back to the portfolio. We put 500 into MLPs. We want to do the same. We're going to go to the REITs. And what do we got popping up here? Stop it. Stop it. Okay, we are going to buy sell. We are going to buy 500. And we are going to continue and confirm buy 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. And we are done, my friends. Okay, so we've created two new pies to our portfolio in M1. Okay, so now we have 4 pies. Okay, and within those pies we have slices. All right. So if we want to look at the slices for, what's this one? This is the great stocks and ETFs. This one has the Vanguard, the real estate, the Vanguard, S&P 500, Target, Google, Disney, PayPal. Okay, that's that one. And then if we go back, we have our metaverse, right? Come down here. I wish I had a bigger screen, but I don't. The metaverse. Okay, this is our, Web 3.0 stuff. This stuff, again, a lot of red here, but that's okay. This is a 10-year portfolio here, minimum 10 years. This stuff is, it's going to be. Listen, Facebook is already, Nvidia. Some of these are already great stocks. They're just getting, they just happen to be getting killed right now. But this portfolio, again, Matterport, Roadblocks, Autodesk, Unity Software, Fastly. This is all part of Web 3.0. Okay. As usual, I hope this gave you guys, let me get back to here, some value, and we'll see you on the next one. And New Year's is coming soon, so stay tuned for my next couple of videos. The next video in coming weeks is going to be on goal setting. That's going to be a great one. Goal setting to $1 million. How do we do it? And then also we have, what else do we got coming up? Again, how do you set and forget your investments? How do you just not make this hard just set up a few of these ETFs and not even think about it anymore. So those are videos coming up. So hopefully you guys stick with me. And on that note, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.